Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking D.O. Droid from the new Star Wars movie. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and let's start out with his head. So it's basically gonna be a cone shape on the side. So I'm gonna start out with the very tip. So that's gonna be the front. And then from there, just kind of flare out two lines. So make it nice and wide on the back right here. And then we'll just close it off again with a straight line. Okay, and then once we have this, just come about right, here's the middle of the cone shape. I'm just gonna draw like one big curve. So this is gonna be where his neck's gonna be connecting to. And then from here, let's just go ahead and finish up the details inside. So I'm just gonna go straight up from this point here. Make a little bracket. And I suppose this would be kind of like his eyes. So I'm gonna slant all the way back and just close it off. And we're seeing it from the side, so we're only able to see one. Alright, so let's finish up the tip right here. I'm just gonna draw one more line. And then right on the back here, I'm just gonna draw two, looks like it's got a couple of antennas up on the back here. So just draw one line out and then just come at it again, just make it a little bit sharper at the end. So same thing on the bottom. Okay, so that's pretty much for the head, and let's continue on with the rest of the body. So right here, from this curve, just come straight down and then close it off with a horizontal line. And then from there, I'm just gonna add a couple of curves or lines in here. So just kind of follow the slant. Alright, and then on the bottom right here, just one bigger rectangle. So I'm gonna extend the line. And one big rectangle. Alright, and then the center right here, just gonna draw a circle. And then one more inside. And then continuing down from this circle, just gonna draw like a little rectangle right underneath. And then I'm gonna draw one long rectangle, little rod coming all the way down. Okay, close it off. And then right here I'm gonna draw a bigger circle. So this is gonna be the center of the whole wheel thing here. Okay, so here's the center. Alright, so this is gonna be the trickier part. Here's the center, so we're gonna draw in one big circle here. So I'm just gonna come straight up, maybe right around here. You can make a little mark on both sides. And from there, we're just gonna swing it around using this as a center. Draw one big circle. So it's actually easier if you can use some kind of drawing aid, maybe like a cup or something. Or you can sketch it out first, like what I've done. Okay, so that's gonna be the wheel, and then on the inside here, we're gonna draw one more. So we're gonna make two little marks again, and then we just kind of swing it all the way around. So this one's a little bit easier. We can just follow the outside curve. Okay, so that's the wheel, and then for the little details right here, from this point here, right on the side of this circle, just go straight up. There's gonna be another rod. Okay, and then wherever you reach up here, just draw like a smaller circle inside. Okay, let's draw in one more. It's got some more wires going on here. So from the side here, I'm just gonna curve and then just go into this rod here. And then we'll turn that into a wire, so we'll give it some thickness. So the only thing here is just that we have to erase out these lines inside here. And it's kind of small, so we can't really see it anyways. Alright, so let's finish up the details inside. So right on this top part of the circle, I'm just gonna draw one horizontal line across. And then from here, just kind of bracket that circle again, come straight down. And then right in the center of this space, it's one line across. Alright, and then in here, just come down, draw one line across again. And then in this space here, I'm going to draw two more lines, so just try to space it out evenly if possible. So we're going to extend this all the way across to this side. Okay, and then lastly, for some more little detail, just right in the center of this line, just come down, just make a little rectangle. I'm just kind of shade it in, going all the way back in. So these are much smaller details. And same thing on this side, in the center. I come in this side. Alright, so that is it for this very cool looking DO droid. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.